Take a look at this question. It is given the lengths of two sides of a triangle 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Which of the following cannot be the third side of a triangle? That's the question. See, if two sides are given, okay, you can see that here it is given as 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter, right? So, in order to find the measurement of that third side which is missing here, I want you to follow a simple algorithm here. Okay, you first find out the difference between 5 and 6. What is the difference between 5 and 6? You know, 5 minus 6, the difference it comes as 1. Okay, now you find the total 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6? You know, that is equal to 11. So, the set of values which are lying between that 1 to 11, okay, you can consider that 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, like that. 1 to 11 you consider, excluding 1, excluding 11. Okay, so interval wise when you are writing 1 comma 11, you can put it in this manner. You cannot take 1, you cannot take 11. Okay, but I am telling you all the set of values that are lying between 1 to 11, those values, they are the possible measurement of the third side of the triangle. You got my point? So if I am looking at these options here, option 8, option number 4, 8, what you see here, 8 is actually lying between 1 to 11, which means 8 it is possible. Similarly, 9 is also possible because it is lying between 1 to 11. It's one of the values between 1 to 11. 10 is also possible because it is lying between 1 to 11. But I cannot consider 11 because 11, if you consider, you can see that 5 plus 6, it is equal to 11. So I can say that that extreme value it comes over there, it is as such not possible. Similarly, 1 is also not possible. So I can say here which of the following cannot be the third side of the triangle. That is the question. So I can see this 11, it is not possible. Okay, so for this question I will mark option A as my choice. So remember the algorithm, if two sides are given, let me say the measurements are A and B. Okay, you take the difference between that A and B. You find out what is the difference between that A and B. That is one end of the spectrum. You get the total of this A and B. A plus B you take. So you can see one end of the spectrum and the other end of the spectrum. All the values that are lying in between that A minus B and A plus B, they are the possible measurements associated with the third side of the triangle. You cannot take A minus B, you cannot take A plus B, and anything which is lying outside that range also will not be possible. So like I said, all the set of values that are lying between that A minus B and A plus B, yes, they are possible measures of that third side of the triangle. Using this algorithm, you can answer questions of this variety. Okay, so kindly confirm whether this explanation it is fine with you all.